Hi, welcome to the EaseUS channel. In today's video, we'll address the common issue of a hard drive not showing up in Windows. Whether it's an external or internal drive, we've got solutions to help you get your hard drive working again. Here we go. The first step in resolving a hard drive not showing up is to check the connection. Often, a loose or faulty cable is behind the issue. Here's how you can fix this issue. Start by turning off your computer. Unplug the power cable and SATA cable from the hard drive. Inspect the cables for any visible damage. If everything looks fine, plug them back in securely. Turn your computer back on and check if the hard drive is now recognized. This simple solution can often resolve the issue, especially in internal hard drives. Sometimes hard drive still doesn't show up due to a file system error. It can be an issue if hard drive is appearing as raw in disk management. In this case, formatting the hard drive to NTFS can solve the problem. Press the Windows plus X keys and select Disk Management. Select your hard drive and click on Format. Set the file system to NTFS, check Perform a quick format, and click OK. Remember, formatting will erase all data on the drive, so if you need to recover files, do so before formatting using a data recovery tool like EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. If your hard drive still doesn't show up and appears as unallocated or unknown in disk management, it could be due to accidental deletion, a virus attack, or other reasons causing partition loss. In this case, you should first recover the data and then create a new partition to make the hard drive usable again. Here's how to do it using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Download and install the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard from the official website. Open the software and select the unallocated space on your hard drive. Click Search for lost data. Once the scan completes, use the filter or search options to locate the lost files. Select them and click Recover. Save the recovered files to a secure location before proceeding to the next step. Now, the next step is creating a new partition. To do this, we need to right-click this PC, choose Manage, and select Disk Management. Right-click the unallocated space of your hard drive and choose New Simple Volume. Follow the New Simple Volume wizard to set the volume size, assign a drive letter, and format the partition to NTFS. Click Finish, and Windows should recognize your hard drive. This solution is ideal for those who need to recover data from an unallocated hard drive before making it usable again. Alright, that's all for today. To recap, check and change hard drive connections. Format the hard drive to NTFS. Recover data from unallocated space using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard and create a new partition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.